Hi, I'm Jason, and I'm going to guide you through each step of the installation process. In a few short steps, you and your family are going to be enjoying your new American Standard two-piece toilet.
Remember to take your time, take a break, or re-watch a step whenever you need to. Before we begin, I like to make sure I have everything that I will need, organized and within reach. I find this helps make the install as smooth as possible. At this point, you can remove all contents from the package and lay them on a flat surface nearby. You'll want to double check that all required pieces are included. Gather all the required tools and keep them in your work area. While not required, I like to keep some old towels or rags around. You might need them to catch some water or for a quick cleanup. Install the closet bolts in the flange channel and slide them into place, parallel to the wall. Flip the bowl over and place the plastic trapway over the toilet drain and snug down. Move the L brackets out so they touch the inside of the bowl. Remove the trapway and tighten the bracket nuts using a 3/8 inch socket. Then invert the EasyMount plastic trapway and install the wax ring firmly on the trapway. Next, place the plastic trap over the flange and T-bolts, then secure them with the provided washers and nuts. Fully tighten, but don't over-tighten. Now, place some tape on the floor to mark where the L brackets with holes are located on the plastic trap. You'll use these later when installing the bowl. Remove the protective backing from one side of the supplied butyl tape and firmly apply it around the front underside area of the bowl without protruding to the outside of the bowl. See the illustration on the screen for guidance. Carefully place the bowl over the plastic trap starting at the rear. Check for alignment side to side as you slowly lower the bowl to the floor. With the bowl in place, insert one of the supplied screws and washer through the side of the bowl and into one of the holes in the L bracket in the plastic trap. Do not fully tighten. Now, follow the same process, inserting the second screw and washer on the opposite side of the bowl. Now you can fully tighten both screws. Place the cover caps over each hole on the sides of the bowl. To install the tank, attach the tank to the bowl gasket and the tube gasket under the tank. Add tank nuts and washers to tank bolts. Then tighten the handles alternately until the tank contacts the front and back of the bowl, achieving China-to-China contact. Now install your seat using the instructions that came with the seat. Lastly, adjust the water level to the level indicated on the tank by turning the water level adjustment knob left or right.
Okay, so if everything is dry and working, your installation is complete. Just a little cleanup, and then you're ready to enjoy the everyday beauty and function of your new American Standard toilet.